This one, the room and the master bedroom. This master bedroom only bowl and future bowl. This area, yeah. Master bedroom, this one. I am complete proper painting. This one done. Another one, same other side. Other one room here. Here, one room here. Some children's room. This one children's room. One room here. One old wall and future wall. Look this one, yeah. Here, same wall and future wall here. Here, same other room. One room here. Look this one. 3 room and 1 master bedroom. Total four bedroom. Only 2 days.